Did you know that somewhere in our galaxy there is a gigantic cloud of alcohol floating in space? It sounds like something from science fiction, but astronomers have actually discovered it. In the constellation Sagittarius, scientists found a massive cloud of ethyl alcohol drifting through space. This enormous cloud stretches across a region of space hundreds of times larger than our solar system. If it were possible to collect it, there would be enough alcohol there to make around 400 trillion pints of beer. Of course, it's thousands of light years away, so no one is planning a cosmic party anytime soon. Still, discoveries like this show just how strange and surprising the universe can really be. Venus has one of the strangest time cycles in our entire solar system. At first glance, it looks similar to Earth in size, but its rotation behaves very differently. On Venus, a single day actually lasts longer than an entire year. The planet rotates extremely slowly on its axis, taking about 243 Earth days to complete just one rotation. However, it only takes about 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit around the Sun. That means the planet finishes its entire year before it even completes one full day. Imagine living somewhere where a single sunrise could last for months. The Sahara Desert is famous for its intense heat and endless sand dunes. It is one of the driest and hottest regions on our planet. Daytime temperatures can easily rise above 40 degrees Celsius, and rain is extremely rare. But in 1979, something truly unexpected happened. Snow actually fell in the Sahara Desert. For a short time, the sand dunes were covered with a thin white layer of snow. The snow didn't stay long, but it reminded scientists that even the harshest environments on Earth can still surprise us. The atoms that make up your body have a truly incredible origin story. Every element inside you has traveled through space for billions of years. Elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron were created deep inside ancient stars. When massive stars explode as supernovae, they scatter those elements across the universe. Over immense periods of time, those particles become part of new solar systems and planets. Eventually, some of those same atoms became part of Earth and living organisms. So, when scientists say that humans are made of stardust, they are describing a real cosmic history. Deep beneath the ocean's surface lies a world that still feels largely unexplored. In some parts of the ocean floor, scientists have discovered underwater lakes and rivers. These strange formations are called brine pools. They form when extremely salty water becomes so dense that it sinks and separates from the surrounding ocean. Because the water is heavier, it creates clear borders that look like real shorelines underwater. To researchers exploring these areas, it can look like a lake sitting inside the ocean itself. Some of these places even have currents and waves moving through them. Neutron stars are among the most extreme objects in the entire universe. They are formed when massive stars collapse after powerful supernova explosions. During that collapse, gravity compresses the star's core into an incredibly small and dense sphere. The matter inside becomes packed together in ways that are almost impossible to imagine. Because of this extreme density, neutron stars contain enormous mass in a very tiny volume. In fact, just 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. That tiny amount would be heavier than entire mountains. Now think again about the strange fact we started with: a giant cloud of alcohol floating through space. When you look at discoveries like that, it becomes clear that the universe is full of mysteries. From exploding stars to hidden landscapes deep beneath our oceans, reality is often far more incredible than fiction. Scientists continue discovering new phenomena every year, and each discovery changes how we understand the universe. The more we learn about space and our own planet, the more mind-bending the story becomes. This is Informboom. Stay curious, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating discoveries.